So what you're telling me is that you're bored all day. Okay, so what you're also telling me is that you need more toys, right? Okay, do you want an automatic catnip dispenser? Okay, do you want an automatic water bowl? No? Okay, do you want an automatic litter box? CJ, do you want the litter box? Uh-oh, Bob wants the automatic litter box, don't you? You do? Why? Do I not clean it enough? Do I not clean the litter box enough? Oh man, I didn't even get an answer. Oh really? So he flops on the ground. Alright folks, that's enough. So these are my animals. That's CJ. And that's Smokey. What do you say, Smokes? Okay. And then that's little Bob. What do you say? Okay, alright. Well, we'll get you on the internet so everybody sees you, okay? Bob? Yeah. And you tell him bye. Smokes. Tell him. Say goodbye.